Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the api-ms-win-crt runtime missing error on Windows. First, open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft website. Search for Microsoft Visual C Redistributable for Visual Studio 2015. Make sure you download both versions, the x86 and the x64 versions. Even if your system is 64-bit, you still need to install both files. After installing, restart your computer. If the error still appears, the problem may be related to the Universal C Runtime update. In this case, open Windows Settings, go to Update and Security, then click on Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install any available updates. Restart your computer after the updates are installed. If Windows Update does not solve the issue, you can manually install the Universal C Runtime update called KB2999.226 from the official Microsoft website. Download the correct version for your system and install it. After completing these steps, open the program again. The error should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.